Question 9 is another local question. It starts with an if. It's also a must-be-true question. So if this condition is true, which of the following must be true? Local questions require making a new sketch that incorporates the new condition. And the new condition here is that if greed is shown 3 times, harvest twice, and limelight once. So right under the sketch from last time, I'm going to do this sketch. So for greed to be shown exactly 3 times, it'll have to be shown on all 3 days. But remember, Harvest is already on Thursday as the last film. So that means that Greed will be shown in front of Harvest on Thursday, and then because of the other rules, it'll be the last film on Friday and Saturday. But the if continues that Harvest has to be shown exactly twice. So since we put G on Saturday, we know H can't join them. So if I'm going to use another H, it would have to be on Friday. And it'd have to be in front of G on Friday because either G or L is the last one on Friday. The if continues that if Limelight is shown exactly once. So since Greed is on Friday, that means Limelight can't be there with it. But where could Limelight go? It seems like it could go on either Thursday or Saturday. Now if it goes on Thursday, it'd have to be in front of H, but there's actually 2 spaces it could go on Thursday. It could go right there in front of G, but it could also go in between G and H. But then again, it doesn't have to go on Thursday because it could go on Saturday. And if it goes on Saturday, it'll have to go in front of G because G would have to be the last one. So the G's and H's are definitely in place. The L can go all over the place. But that's my sketch for question 9. Let's see what we can do with it. So they want to know what must be true. A says all 3 films are shown on Thursday. That could be true because L could be on Thursday, but since L could also be on Saturday, that's not something that must be true. Answer choice B, exactly 2 films are shown on Saturday, is also something that could be true because you could show Limelight and Greed on Saturday, but you don't have to, so it's not something that must be true. Answer choice C, L and H are both shown on Thursday. Again, that could be true. L could be on Thursday with H, but since L could also be on Saturday, C is not the answer. Answer choice D, Greed is the only film shown on Saturday. That could be true if we stick the L on Thursday, but it doesn't have to be true. That means our answer by default is E, but we can see why. Harvest and Greed are both shown on Friday. Yeah, they're both shown on Friday. That's something that must be true. So our answer is E.